Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, nouns collective. So all of you know what is a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So this is the noun here. People, places, animal and thing. These are the people, right? The name of any people or a place for a school, or any place you are visiting, the name of that place or the name of the animal or name of a thing. Okay, so noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So we are already clear with that what is a noun. Now we are going to learn about collective noun, a group of words. Okay, it's called a collective noun. Nouns collective, we have learned what is that what are the different types of group names are here. You can see a fleet of sheep. This is the group of ships called fleet. A band music concert is called a band. A group of music concert, uh, a persons playing music is called a band. A group of person playing music is called a band. Third one is the audience loved their performance. A group of people sitting in a theater is called audience. Team of astronaut, so group of astronaut is called team. And here you can see the team consists of Grama, GT, Post and Mac. So this is called team. Okay, now here all are GT and Grama. You are knowing why they are happy, because they are in the news. Okay, so a collective noun is a word that names a group. Okay, a collective noun is a word that names a group. Okay, the name of a group is called collective noun. A collective noun is a word that names group. Now we have learned here a group of people. What are the different groups of people called? Group of animal and group of things called. Okay, so I just going to read out for you. Here it is: a band of musicians, a board of directors, a bunch of crooks, a chair of singers, a group of students, a crew of sailors, a crowd of people, a flock of tourists, a party of friends, a gang of thieves, a pack of thieves, a group of dancers, a troop of dancers, a host of angels, a panel of experts, a team of players, a troop of artists, a troop of dancers, an army of soldiers. This is the group of people. Group of animals: a howl of fish, a shoal of fish, a school of fish, a swarm of ants, a swarm of flies, a flock of sheep, a flight of birds, a catch of fish, a flock of birds, a herd of deer, a herd of cattle, a herd of elephants, a herd of goats, a litter of puppies, a litter of kittens, a pack of wolves, a pack of wolves, a pack of dogs, a pack of hounds, a hive of bees, a swarm of bees, a litter of cubs, a pride of lions, a zoo of wild animals, a host of sparrows, a team of horses, an army of ants. So these are all the group of animals named here. You can see howl, swan, flock, flight, catch, flock, herd. These all are the names of group of animals. So different animals have different name for their groups. Now we are going to learn a group of things: a stack of wood, a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of bananas, a fleet of ships, a wad of notes, a group of islands, a forest of trees, a clump of trees, a string of pearl, a bouquet of flower, a bunch of flower, a pair of shoes, an album of stamps, an album of photographs, a hedge of bushes. Bushes, all of you know, jhadiya, okay, what we call in Gujarati, jhadiya, okay, that's called hedge of bushes. We have also seen this where we have seen in the live class, we have seen the pictures also regarding this. A bowl of rice, okay, a pack of cards, a library of books, a pile of books, a basket of fruits, a galaxy of stars. So these are all the group of things we are seeing, okay, the name of the groups here. Okay, these are the words you have to keep in mind. Now moving ahead with our exercise A1, look at the picture given below. Use a collective noun from the clouds to describe each picture. Options are a galaxy, crowd, pack, flock, litter, troop, fleet, army. So students, you can see here on your textbook, these are given here, the means which words are given here. You can see here, these are the words, and you have to, there are pictures given here, you have to write the, according to these blanks you have to write the name of that collective noun. Okay, now let us begin. Now what is this? These are a group of sheep. The name of the group of sheep is flock. So here it is written a flock of sheep. Okay, we have to write down a flock of sheep. Next picture you have seen on your textbook, you can see here, this is stars, right? So group of stars is called galaxy, a galaxy of stars. So the group of stars is called galaxy. Next picture you can see here, these are all ants. So group of ants is called army. So we can say an army of ants. Next picture, here you can see, these are all dancers. So group of dancer is called group, a group of dancers. Okay, you can say a troop of dancers also, you can say here. Now next picture, this is a these are people, all people are there. So group of people is called crowd. So it is called a crowd of people. Okay, next picture, here it is, these are the cards. So the group of cards is called deck. So we will write here a deck of cards. Next picture, so these are all kitties right here, the small ones of the babies of cat, right? So they are called kitties or kittens, you also can say. So kitties is the right word. So group of them is called litter, a litter of kitties, a litter of kitties. Next picture, this is a group of sheep. You can see here all sheep are there. So the group of sheep is called fleet. So it is called a fleet of sheep. So group of ships is called fleet. Now we are going with our next exercise, that is B1. We have completed our first exercise, that is A. Okay, you can also refer the video and you can write in the textbook. Okay, now we this is a whole paragraph in your textbook. I have just divided into parts. Okay, so don't be confused in that. Okay, it is in your textbook only, it is from your textbook only, just I have put in the form of a PPT. Now exercise B1, fill in the blanks with the collective noun that best fits in the sentence. Refer to the list on the previous page for help. Now here you have to fill in the blanks with the collective noun that fits in the sentence. For looking at the sentence, you have to put the collective noun here. Refer to the list on the previous page for help. Now we have gone to the previous page, right? There was, where was there the group of name what we are called? Kitty's group is litter. It is called litter. People's crowd is a group of people is called crowd. Like that, you have to remember that, and you have to write down there. Okay. So we are going with our paragraph. It was the crack of dawn. Dawn meaning, okay, morning period is called dawn. It was the crack of dawn. A group of students, a dash of students had pitched their tents behind a dash of trees. So here students, a group of students is called group, and a group of trees is called clump. So you have to remember group, clump. Asif woke up earlier than others and tiptoed out of his tent. He looked up. A flock of cranes was flying quietly towards the lake. Now here Asif woke up early in the morning. In the morning, at the period of dawn, a group of students had pitched their tents behind a clump of trees. So they have put their tents behind the trees. Okay. So Asif woke up there earlier than other and tiptoed out of his tent. So he was out of his tent. So Asif woke up earlier than others and tiptoed off his tent. He looked up. A flock of cranes. So group of cranes is called flock. Okay, and it was quietly flying quietly towards the lake. So it was the flock of cranes are going to the where they are going to the lake. Okay, so what is the meaning of cranes? Cranes, all of you name. Cranes means that a bagla we can say na. It is like that only. It is like a bird, white bird. So it's the name of that group is of a flock. Okay, next picture we are going to see. Next line we are going to see. Something moved under his feet. An army of ants were busy at work. So something he noticed that it was moving under his feet, and it was an army of ants busy at work. So ants were busy at work. So the group of ants is called army. He walked to the lake. A dash of elephants was bathing noisily. Okay, so he was going to the lake, and there he saw a group of elephants bathing noisily. So they were bathing very noisily. Okay, they are making very sound. Okay, so that group of elephants is called herd. Okay, so group of elephant is called herd. Asif hid behind the hedge of bushes to watch them. So where does Asif hide? Asif hide behind the hedge of bushes. So group of bushes is called hedge. Okay, so he hidden behind the hedge of bushes to watch them. Okay, and a baby elephant tugged at a bunch of bananas hanging from a tree. So here an elephant was there, and he had a bunch of bananas. Bunch of bananas were there. Group of bananas is called bunch. So and baby elephant was tugged at a bunch of bananas hanging from a tree. So he was taking the bananas from the trees. So baby elephant is very small. So he was little hunged, means tongued means he was little means he was catching that bunch of bananas there. A dash of bees soon began circling the elephant's head. So group of bees is called swarm. Okay, so elephants, what happened there? Bees are there, honey bees. Okay, so they were circling around the elephant's head. They were irritating the elephant. The irritated elephant ran back to the lake. Okay, so elephant ran back the small elephant ran back to the lake. Why? Because it was irritated. Why it was irritated? Because of the bees. A flight of sparrows found all this very funny and chirped loudly. Asif began to laugh too. So, what is a group of sparrows called? Fleet. Okay. So, sparrows were laughing because they find that funny. Okay. So, Asif began to laugh too. Okay. Asif was also laughing. So, this was our lecture on collective noun. We will see more details about this in the next lecture. So, that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.